Hey, welcome to Sean's Kitchen. For today's recipe, here we're going to take a pan and add 5 dry red chilies. And along with this, here we're also going to add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of peppercorn, 5 cloves, 1 black cardamom, 3 green cardamoms, and lastly, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. After that, you can dry roast the ingredients for a period of 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. Once you're done dry roasting these ingredients, you can then switch off the flame and keep this aside to cool down. Once the ingredients have cooled down, here you can take a grinder jar and add the cool spices to it. Once you're done adding the spices, here you can grind this into a fine powder. And once you've done that, you can then keep these spices aside. Once you've kept the spices aside, here you can take a pressure cooker and add 1 tablespoon of oil. And to this oil, here you can add half kilo of boneless beef. Once you've added the beef, to this beef, you can add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and lastly, 1 cup of water. After adding all of these ingredients, you can cover the lid of the pressure cooker and let it cook for 5 whistles. Once you're done cooking the beef for 5 whistles, you can then remove the lid of the pressure cooker and then keep this beef aside along with the stock. After that, here you can take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. And once the oil is hot, to this, here you can add 1 medium-sized sliced onion. After adding the onion, here you can fry this for a period of 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes, here you can add 2 chopped tomatoes. And along with this, here you can also add 2 slit green chilies and 1 teaspoon of salt. After adding these ingredients, you can give this a good stir and let this cook for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you can then add the beef along with the water which you use to cook the beef. Once you've added this, you can mix this well with the rest of the ingredients and let this cook for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, here you can add the ground spices from earlier. And once you're done adding this, you can mix this once again really well with the rest of the ingredients. Once you're done mixing this, you can cover this with a lid and let this cook for a period of 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, you can remove the lid, and once you're done doing that, you can mix all of this really well. After that, here you can add a bunch of coriander leaves to this dish. Once you're done adding the coriander leaves, you can mix this really well. And once you're done doing that, your dish is ready to be served. So if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the channel logo, which will pop up right in the middle of the screen. Thank you.